Leftover popcorn has the new note that we just looked at, the middle B, and it has one more thing, a new sign called the natural sign. Later on the last line, you're gonna see we have a G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, and what's that sign there? We're gonna go to the regular F. So not an F sharp anymore, back to F, natural, and down the scale. So all that means is it cancels out the sharp. It'll just be G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, regular F. That's all. Here's how it goes. Stretch your thumb. Move our thumb back. So right hand, start with our thumb on middle C. Move our thumb down to middle B. 2, 3, 4. Move your thumb back to middle C. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Regular F. To the left hand, very straightforward. We're going to hold F and G together, chord 5, 7. Next.